So I got a big project to go this summer, but first thing I gotta do is I gotta build a jig to hold my hand planer, my electric hand planer, and turn it into a joiner so that I can take boards, these boards here, and make them into something that I can make a skirt with for my trailer, my house trailer. So this is what I've been doing, trying to create level, etc. Figure this platform here can go flush on the table, and then I can just run the boards through, and hopefully that'll make the one square edge that I need.